guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about the upgrades and everything that I'm doing to this. We obviously took the tarp off. I'll play a quick clip of that quick. I got some tools, got myself an air gun, strips, adjustable wrench, all that good stuff in here. And this here I made so that I can add this on here and hook an air hose up to. And the air hose is right here in the side box. I have that 42-foot air hose here that I can hook up to here, and I can run my blowgun, an impact, pump up tires, do whatever I need with a small amount of air until it builds back up. Air compressor wherever I go. Might not be the most powerful thing, but it'll get the job done. Pumping up tires with the military truck. And I got this big old ring here that I can hook tow straps to, or chains, or anything else. And I got probably 25 foot of pretty big log chain here. So there's a few of the things that I've added on to this. All these tires are about 80-90%. This one here, this one's a little lower and wore out. I don't know why he has it on there backwards. Supposedly it's motor pool spec. But I'm gonna fix that flat tire I got in there as the spare and put it on here with the tread facing in the proper direction for the steers. These ones back here I'm gonna leave to reverse the way they are and whatever. And then I bought this. It's off of a newer 680 Kenworth, because I don't like the screech of this horn very much. I might keep this around just in case. But I am going to mount this farther towards the front of the truck. And I got this 1/4-inch line. And this quick coupler here for the line with an adapter. And that is how I'm going to hook the solenoid to this to make this sound off when I want it to. temporary. I will mount this properly later on, probably. So, alright guys, so I have it mounted, and for now I just zip tied it up just in case I don't want to mount it there. I might mount it somewhere else. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think about everything I've done to it and what you think I should do to it down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.